Hi everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. This is the last video of this series. This is video number 5. I will have videos 1 through 4 linked in the description box below if you are interested. But today is just a quick flip through of the journal that we made in the previous 4 videos. So again, we started with a Dollar Tree gift bag box. So it was a box that stood up and it had the stringy thing, and there was another one of these walls here and one at the bottom. I think you've seen them. They come in different sizes at the Dollar Tree. So we took it apart, we deconstructed it, and we made it into a book cover for us. So we didn't do much to the cover itself. We did add a little bit of clear gesso just to take the shine away from it. We made this tassel in video 4. This was one of the holes that was already there as part of the original box. So I just put an eyelet there and we, made it work for us, I guess. And then we added 2 eyelets here for a closure with some fuchsia sari silk. So this journal has 4 signatures in total. So in video 1, we deconstructed the box bag and we added vintage music paper to the inside, as well as just a piece of some kind of cloth, very thin one, to the spine. We did the same for the back. So that was video 1. Video 2 is we put our papers, we selected our papers and put our papers together. I believe in video 2, we made this entire signature together. So we embellished it and everything. So this is the first. So each signature starts off with a piece of scrapbook paper that has some type of focal point and then some saying. This one says self-care. And then we'll just go through really quick. So each signature also has, this was a little Valentine's Day book of sayings that, again, picked up from the Dollar Tree. Why is that so dark? Is that any better? That's probably not better. I don't know if that's any better or not. My lighting in here is just no good. I don't know why. Okay. We have a Valentine's Day heart that was dyed, food coloring, I believe. Copy paper. So lots of writing space in here. I love writing space in my journals. Here's a bag, writing space. Here's a vintage dictionary page that has been decoupaged with a napkin. A little lace pocket. More copy dyed paper with a little fabric tab on it. It's another page of that book. Graph paper, copy dyed. This was, I think, food colored paper with a little tab. Food colored line paper. One of those replica Sears catalogs, but the mini ones. Here's a little love always. This is a vintage music sheet from a smaller book. Copy dyed with a little tab. Here's a glassine bag. More graph paper. And then the middle of each signature, I believe, is also a vintage music page and little pockets with a little bit of lace trim. So again, this is the bag as well. It's open. You can put stuff in it. Copy dyed music. It's pretty much the same. So we move on to the next signature. And this has a little envelope. I guess I didn't do anything with the envelope, but the next person could do something. So this is the next signature. Again, I said the focal point of each signature, the cover, I guess, of each signature will be some type of cardstock with a little saying that says, "Stay true." And again, pretty much the same papers. Actually, they should be pretty much, yeah, the same papers. Maybe in a different order. This is a napkin over the vintage dictionary. This is just a piece of fabric that was glued on. Glassine bag. Here's the middle signature again, pockets with a little bit of lace. And we move on to, like I said, here's the opening to the bag. And another envelope. And now signature number 3. Beautiful. And again, same exact, guys, same exact. This is actually avocado dye. This is the first time I tried avocado dyeing. It's actually very thick paper too. So I try to do some different things. Add a little bit of something here, something there. Lots of writing space. I love writing space. Not only that, but then you can also actually do whatever you feel like. So this one, what I did a little bit different is the pockets aren't on the inside. The pockets are on the outside. So still has lace trim, but the pockets are on the outside. Yeah. So I thought this napkin was wild. Isn't that nice? And the last and final signature, happiness. I think they turned out just fabulous. A little bit of lace. A little tab with a little avocado dyed. So definitely different sizes. Here's my middle with my pink. Hope. Pop something in there. Here's another little tab. Add the flower right here. Oh, I didn't cut that one. Okay, I have to cut that one. Oh, maybe I'll cut it up. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Don't complicate it, Paula. Okay, and that's it. And that is our journal that we made using a Dollar Tree gift box bag. That's what they're called on the website. I had to go on and then look because, you know, sometimes they don't have the actual name on them, on the stickers. So anyways, thank you so much for watching the series. I truly do appreciate it. I know I went really quick with it. I did say that this was going to be given to someone. So in the comments, if you're interested in this journal, leave a heart emoji. And I will put everybody that's interested in the journal, I will put their names into a random generator. And if you're selected, I will, oh, actually, I don't know how I would reach you. I'll comment on your heart emoji, and ideally you're a subscriber, and you'll get my comment. And then I will ship this out to you, and you can do what your heart desires with it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and have a fabulous day. Bye.